Very good morning from Sydney, Australia. Oh my god!
No way!
We can see some nice, sick, big canards. Look at that. Oh my god. Okay, I think this is a proper purpose for the second channel because it has nothing to do with motorsports, but actually sharing once in a lifetime experience, because I don't think it's going to be happening more often. Well, I mean, cheers with my fancy orange juice for it to happen more often. Because this flight usually costs, I think Maggie looked it up, like 12,000 euros? Yeah, 12,500 euros from Dubai to Sydney. In our case, Hyundai paid for business class and I had an option to upgrade, and it cost me 2,700 euros for both of us to upgrade, and I thought, you know what, once in a lifetime opportunity, let's do it. We had very crazy months and who knows when we will be able to do it again. So let me show you around what you get in a first class of Emirates flight. Not Atlantic, but trans-ocean.
We can do it. You can do it.
Alright, so I'm already dressed in some fancy pajamas that you can see. We have here some extra notebooks and stuff. We have here all the necessary toiletries, all the like sort of minibar. Speaking of minibar, look at this. Let me put my stuff away. You press this one and then your own minibar comes out, and of course you can also order as much stuff as you would like. So we have here the menu, and we can see the fancy a la carte dining. So dessert. You can actually just pause yourself the video.
So food shots are coming back.
Yeah, food shots are definitely coming later on. So everything is obviously included in flight and the price, and movie snacks. Classic prawn cocktail, because of course that's a movie snack that you would think about. Social area. Then I saw somewhere the wine menu. I think it's this one. Dom Perignon. I think you have actually Dom Perignon right now. Fancy. Also all kinds of different wines. Dessert wine. You have also a big selection of cocktails, and the plane has also its own bar where we definitely will be going later to show what we have. You also can have caviar, of course. It also has showers.
That we booked already.
Of course. Yeah, that will be very interesting. That's the desk table you get. I'll be doing some fancy editing later for sure, because why not? We have also the complimentary Bulgari vanity bags. Ooh, yes, I definitely need this. Dental kit. Oh. Nice. What you have?
I have similar, just I think in
different bag.
Yeah, different fancier female bag, and also like some different perfumes.
What do you have, madame?
I have beef consommé, some amuse-bouche, and some fancy bread.
Nice. Alright, that's next level. And then we have mango avocado salad. And some lamb for the main. Are you still waiting?
Yes. But I said I'm gonna wait. I said to him that bring me. But I wanna steal.
Steal? That's how it goes, huh? First you steal my heart, then my lamb. Alright, let's be a bit more healthy for dessert then. I don't know what it is. It's not mine. Here, strawberry smoothie. Super healthy.
And this glass is just like accidentally there.
I think it's tea. It's tea. I think it's tea. So the steward just came with a box of chocolates and said, would you like a chocolate? I'm like, there was a big selection. I said, would you like to try all of them? And I said, well, yeah, why not? Basically, here's my excuse why I'm gonna be probably very slow at World Time Attack, because I'm gonna be just fat. What?
Should I help him work?
Typical. Ready for bedtime? Too bad there is some thing between us.
Yeah, but whatever.
And whatever. we can watch some movies. With some popcorn.
Sweet as popcorn.
And some iced tea. That's definitely iced tea. I'm swearing. Lots of iced tea, I know.
They are super tasty, these iced tea.
Yes.
I also drink just tomato juice.
Cheers. Anyway, night. Breakfast time. That tea was wild last night. Fanciest muesli ever. Hello.
I'm waiting for mine. I just got out of the shower in a plane above Australia.
Yeah.
What
Oh
the
yeah,
fuck?
speaking of which, look where we are. This is where we're going on Monday, next Monday. And the fancy omelette, which I have fruit.
I have fancy food.
We're almost there. Yay! Alright, time to wake a bit more up. This is pretty wild. We have our own shower here on board. So basically how it works is you have 5 minutes of running water. You can always pause it. Oh yeah, here we go. And yeah, you can even sit there. Fantastic. What an experience. Shower on board of a plane. Hello? Amazing. Completely new experience. New man as well. I don't know how much I can talk about like showering on an airplane. It's quite bizarre, but it helps to arrive at your destination fresh and fruity. Yes, I finally got the telemetry. Now I have also this. I wonder what his delta is. That's the wrong car. Well, it's not the wrong car, it's gonna be our daily. Are you excited? Yeah. Yay! So we just came from the airport and straight to the business. How excited are you, Jeff, to open up this box?
Killing me, I've been waiting to open this all day.
A whole week, I hope.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah, actually, pretty much.
I got down here today and they said, no, you can't touch it. Gotta wait for Misha. Here I am. Can I open it up?
Yeah, let's do it. Let's see if everything's still in one piece. Okay. Okay, so looks good. Ooh. Nice. Sick. That looks amazing. Oh my god!
No way!
YouTube session.
Yes.
How you doing?
Really good. You?
Good.
Good to finally meet you.
Where's the RX-7?
I don't want to talk about it. No, it's the problem was getting ready for
Pikes Peak?
Pikes Peak, and then or here, and it's like I committed to Pikes Peak.
So next year.
Yeah, I would
Sounds
definitely
good.
bring it.
Awesome.
But yeah, they wanted me to bring the 4-wheeler, but
Yeah.
it wouldn't do well.
Yeah.
Not yet.
Nice. Very cool. First time in Australia?
The very first.
Nice.
You?
Yeah, second.
Okay.
I was here for in 2013, actually, so 11 years ago. Yeah, so very good morning from Sydney, Australia. We are here to participate in World Time Attack Challenge with Hyundai. That is actually, should be arriving at any moment right now. But now let's give a quick look at some of the top competitors, and let's start at the very end over there and we go down the line. To be honest, I have no idea what is what, how much power what is making, and most importantly how much downforce anything is making. But we can see some nice, sick, big canards, shoes for reference, size, yep, big turbos of course as well, looks like a RB26 here. Looking very nice and very light and very open, classy. Spicy. The craziest bit that I've seen so far are actually the massive end plates of some of the cars over there from the Pro class. We have here an STI, also nice canards. It's really cool to see, like when we look at the scene in Europe and then we come here and we see the massive size of aero parts. And also at Vulcan, especially Lapo, is making quite sometimes fun, or not fun, when people say like, I want canards for my car, and then just like this small or this big and nothing is happening. Like, they didn't do much. But stuff like this big size, it definitely works, it definitely adds to the whole downforce. Then we have here Amazing Corvette. Came all the way from US. Massive splitter. Big set of Garrett turbos on each side. Probably spitting flames. At least I hope so. Then very Spartan tech interior. So nothing unnecessary in there. Full Kevlar fiber body. Very, very nice. And then we have probably the biggest set of end plates that I've ever seen on a wing, on a spoiler. Look at that. Looks really crazy. Nice diffuser. Love the exhaust as well on the back. That goes all the way through the chassis. And then from Finland, the 1-to-1 project, the R8. So I think it's 1500-ish horsepower with 1500 kilos. And I wonder if it also does 1500 kilos of downforce. But looks serious. And then the Charoudin from New Zealand. So the fun bit that, yeah, due to regulations, the wheels and tires, the sizes, they look quite comical because the tire size is quite restrictive. And the same issue we will be having also on our Ioniq 5N that is about to arrive any moment. So I guess let's wait for that. But yeah, so far it's quite interesting. It finally arrived. Look at that. Oh my god. Morning, Jeff. Thanks for making it.
Looking nice.